Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JJ Life. Today we're going to make rose water two ways, and one is a simple method of just boiling rose water with water. You add enough water to cover the rose water and let's boil it till it loses all its color. And rose water has plenty of benefits. It alters the pH balance of the face. It is hydrating, it helps with eczema, it is an antioxidant. You can use it as an astringent, dandruff treatment. There are plenty of benefits of rose water. Do subscribe and like our video and follow up for a lot of recipes using rose water. So now you can see the rose petals have left its color into the water. So the water is light pink in color. So this method of making rose water, you can store it up to 7 days outside and up to 15 days within the refrigerator, but you will need to add vitamin E oil as a preservative for rose water made with this method. The second method is the distillation method, and this rose water can be kept for around 6 months. You will not need any preservative, and it is very easy to make at home. Now, as you can see, let's pour all the boiled rose petals in water and let it cool down so that it leaves out all its color into the water. So this rose water is ideal for face packs, for dandruff packs. So we will cover all this in our next upcoming videos. So now let's go to the second method. So it's a distillation method. So we're adding rose petals all around a vessel. So let's use two vessels and use a small container as a stand and place the vessel, a small vessel on that. So as we did with the first method, fill all the edges with water. So this is the distilled rose water we get in all the organic stores with Fab India, Kama Ayurveda, and it's really expensive. But you can make this for hardly 30 rupees. And if you have rose growing at home, you can even make this for free. So now I've covered it with a lid. So you ensure that you have a lid like this, and if there are any openings, close it, and let's add ice cubes to the center. So as the rose water evaporates, the ice cubes will melt all the vapor and it will get collected as distilled clear rose water without any color. So this is how pure